The Virtual Engineering Centre is a leading digital innovation centre in the UK. Our mandate is to work with SMEs and industry to help them explore new digital technologies for industrial applications.
Openhouse is a family-run company that bespoke manufactures any kind of textiles for emergency services, the military, retail. Despite us being quite small, we work all over the world. We are quite innovative and we're always looking for ways to improve.
As a design and manufacturing company, it's essential that we create a concept drawing prior to manufacture. The Virtual Engineering Centre have enabled us to automate the process and make it a sales and marketing tool.
Not only have we been able to streamline the digital design process, it's meant that more members of the team internally have been able to interact with clients on a technical level.
The augmented reality side of things is just mind-blowing for the customer to be able to visualise their equipment in use in the bag.
The customers are getting a far more professional response more quickly. Ultimately, orders come quicker.
The team have really helped us to learn more about what we need to try and achieve.
The Virtual Engineering Centre have been a godsend. They offer a very personal service, which has been fantastic for us in this process.
The Virtual Engineering Centre can collaborate with companies from across a broad spectrum. Having the blue skies expertise and research capability of the University of Liverpool paired with our team's industrial experience gives us a real advantage.